Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing purpose. Decide if you're learning, researching, or just relaxing. Once chosen, subscribe only to channels that meet that goal and create 3 to 5 playlists to capture core themes. Make sure to enable Watch Later for quick triage and set your default playback speed and captions to save time. This first step reduces noise immediately and establishes the habits that let you move fast, so you waste less time scrolling and more time consuming useful content. Once your feeds are trimmed, focus on discovery. Use filters like upload date, duration, and closed captions to surface relevant videos. Create a recurring 30 to 60-minute session template. Batch videos by topic, then schedule them into your calendar. Make sure to learn keyboard shortcuts like K to play /pause and number keys for seek and speed control to move faster. Also, build a simple note-taking workflow, timestamp key moments, so you can return to important points without rewatching entire videos. To finish, lock in a maintenance routine. Once a month, review watch history and analytics to keep channels that add value. Archive or unsubscribe from ones that lower your efficiency, and make sure your playlists stay focused. If playback issues occur, clear cache and cookies, test another browser, and switch to a lower resolution briefly to confirm connection problems. Finally, keep iterating on your session templates. Small refinements compound fast, and you'll consistently get more value from YouTube with less time spent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.